in India there was a system of education which was not writing based.
Actually,
They used to teach only by words.
no.
And when
No,
British
no, no,
came
no,
here,
no,
So
no,
Veda,
never.
why Veda is
Veda is
written?
written
no,
2000
that's
ago.
what I am saying.
But
When we are
printed
saying-
press come now. That doesn't matter.
from where they wrote like what
No,
I am
you are
saying.
right.
इसका
There
मतलब
is-
You are right, absolutely right. Manusmriti is written by
Britishers.
Britishers. And also the Iliad. Iliad, have you listened the famous epic Iliad? That was also written by English, not by Roman.
हाँ. So you can also use
hospital. That's why
No, what the reason I am saying.
no.
That-
Whatever you are saying, it's so totally wrong.
But first you listen to me, na.
No, yes, yeah, I have. I
What
heard.
I am
Yes.
saying.
You are
First,
going
okay,
to
okay.
produce a grand
Hey,
theory.
David, please.
No, what I am saying.
Huh.
There was no system of written kind of education.
No, there was.
So Brahmins.
Hey, 1 minute.
There was
One-
not printing press,
no, let
but
him
there was
speak.
means
Let-
written
Oh,
text.
please,
Dinesh.
let him. If anybody
Hey,
speaks,
Dinesh.
then please don't
Let
हमारा
him
ये आदत
clarify.
बहुत खराब है.
हाँ.
Please silent उनको बोलना.
जो भी बोल रहा है ना अंदर
Please.
घुसने की मत करो, बोलने दो किसी को.
Like
Yes, yes,
they
sir.
used to give education to only their caste. Okay, and that was through words. And Shravan means you have to listen by your ear. So
Okay.
and they used to, even at the time of Buddha's text was written after 300 years of his death. 300 years or 600 years of his death. So the thing is, when British came here, they made their judiciary system. Okay, so they had this problem: what kind of civil laws we follow. For Muslims, they had Quran. For Hindus, they sometimes they followed what they had, but during that process, they asked Brahmins to rewrite the texts, what they know or what they have. So these texts were, most of the texts were rewritten during the British time. That's what I am saying actually.
No, you are
Okay,
wrong.
wait 1 minute. Respond to him. Respond to him. 1 to 1.
Precise.
Please, Dinesh. Please, Dinesh, and after you.
Actually,
Huh.
this is how can I say? See, there was no printing press before the Industrial Revolution. That I can consider. But Indian philosophy, you know, it's a
Yeah, sir.
Indian philosophy and Chinese philosophy. They are too ancient. Even China has the 5,000 year means 5,000 BC written history from since then. They have the
They have written.
they have
obviously.
written history.
Okay.
In India also, Rig Veda about to be written 2000 to 1700 BC. So the written thing is that the manuscript, you know, they
Handwritten,
wrote on that
not printed.
that
1
the
minute. What, David?
word कौन सा पत्रा बोलते हैं उसे
भोजपत्र.
ताल पत्रा
भोजपत्र.
भोजपत्र ठीक है
पांडुलिपि.
Manuscript, yeah.
manuscript. So they use the Bhojpatra. There, although there was no printing press, but there have been the means even for this Veda and more than 100 Smritis and 18 Purans.
So you mean to say they copied from those Tal Patras?
Obviously, British see.
And it was written in
this-
which language? If it is written,
Sanskrit.
which language?
David,
And who
David.
knows the language?
Sanskrit, it's means basically Veda are written in the Sanskrit, old language, and in the Brahmi or Pali there are Buddhist literature written that, and Sanskrit also, and Jain religion means Jain literature is also written in Sanskrit and Brahmi and Pali.
Jain literature.
Jain literature and Buddhist literature also. So you can't say that the this
So you mean
English
that there might be
came
some
in-
Tal Patra or Brahmi
there have been the
knowledge
system
of
the written.
Yeah.
And this kind of thing you also
Actually,
find right now. Also,
uh,
Talpatra, Bhojpatra.
You can find now.
You go to library, the old existed library
Have you
by
seen?
government. Yeah, I have seen. I have seen in Odisha.
Then see,
Yeah, state government.
In terms of morality, it is not a dharam in terms of law. It is not dharam in terms of order. We
Yes.
are not ordered.
Yes.
If in France somebody is dying and we don't save him, we can be punished under their dharma, means under their law.
That's why
That is what I am saying.
That's why I'm saying.
Morality can be part of dharma. It is a part of when you are saying
It's
he's a
up to
good
you.
person, bad person, not helping.
Listen, man. Morality is very much higher to religion.
Very vague.
Religion is
No, I
very
am saying forget
No.
the word religion.
humanitarian
I talk about
values. If you are talking
will talk
about
about
religion, na,
Because
dharam,
see,
there is nothing like dharam. Morality,
No, forget
you know,
what-
particular word is
Okay.
there for morality.
I know
In
one-
Urdu,
one more word,
another word very,
Naitikta.
very close to dharm. Another word very close to dharm. Dham.
Actually,
But dham,
No.
dham.
Why dham is very different
I
from
want
a
to say
religion.
something.
Okay, what is dham?
Huh?
What is dham?
Dham, I'm not very much
No,
scholarly
whatever you
about
have,
dham.
whatever
ठीक
idea you
है,
have.
ठीक है, मैं उस पे नहीं जाता हूँ.
But no, but what basic idea means dham?
No, I don't have any definition of dham. I know
Any knowledge of that thing? What is dham?
dham. I don't know because I am not
Anyone
Buddhist.
knows? What is dham?
No,
Dham.
Dhamma I don't know.
Dhamma.
Dham. What I know, dham.
I know, but I forgot. Yeah, it's
You have any knowledge of dham? What is the how will you differentiate if anybody is having knowledge of dham word? So how can you differentiate these two words?
duty.
Dharm and dham.
Duty. No.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, duty. A kind of.
Why are you going to locate religion as much
Yeah,
as
I'm
law?
saying forget the word
As
religion.
much as law.
No. I'm saying leave this word religion. We don't know the word religion. This word I'm saying. Dharm. Dharm. We are going into definition of this word only. Dharm.
So in India,
What is dharma?
in definition of dharam, there is also including, you can also include the morality, ethics.
It can be part of dharm.
It is a part of
there
dharam.
is no morality, ethics in Hindu
But
religion.
it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. And this dharam,
No,
dharam
there
is
can be two kind of dharmas.
this
One is
dharam,
binding dharma.
this dharam is guided by whom? What we follow the dharam, that dhamma ya dharam is followed by whom? Guided by whom? Brahmins.
धरा धातु से निकला है, ठीक है. धरा धातु का धरा का मतलब होता है धारण करना, ठीक है.
To bind.
हाँ,
To obey.
to bind, to bear something, to follow some rules regulation, ठीक है.
There must be some.
ठीक है. धरा जो संस्कृत का वर्ड है उससे धर्म निकला है. अब एंशिएंट में क्या रहा
Dhara
है,
also means dharti. What is
धर्म means dhra means होता है धारण करना.
धारण करना.
But धरती तो धारण करती है, उसको धरती बोलते हैं ना.
नहीं, धरती अब ये इतना संस्कृत
और आप यो स्टेटमेंट यू नो निखिल व्हाट आर गोइंग टू डू जब हर उसका टर्मिनोलॉजी का डिफरेंट मीनिंग है. यू कांट इक्विलेट टू धर्मा लॉ, ये सब ये नहीं हो सकता है. इसको अब रिलीजन को आप हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे?
In which sorry if
Why should I give
I
word?
jump in
So, हिंदी में
the
बात नहीं करेंगे?
in which class did you study Gramsci?
Ramshi, in my graduation days, in my MA,
Emma,
masters.
master. Who teach which professor?
Professors, there are many professors
Yeah.
in JNU and sociology and Paul science.
Yeah. Brahmins.
Me. Mainly,
But are they Brahmins? They
doesn't matter. It's
no,
our
it's for me.
course outline.
Yeah, it's important if the Brahmins teach
Yeah,
Gramsci.
obviously.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's important for me if Brahmins teach.
Because they are the teachers,
Gramsci. Yeah.
so they will
No.
teach us.
In
Also-
Italy, no one teach. So few professors teach
No, but there is
Gramsci.
the difficulty also in our political science.
All have only 4 to 5 in number.
They have in general category.
They have taken the
can.
they come from general
Yeah.
category.
They fight in
And
general
all
category.
what are the rest of is all the belong to forward class.
JNU से
All
कितना
this is the picture in a JNU. In IIT Madras.
अरे अरुण जी
Chennai,
हमको भी एक लेना है बेटा
400 faculty members.
मैं जरा इनका देख लूं पहले क्या
12
और
or
क्या लिया
14
2000 रुपए का
members
इन्होंने
are belong to forward class. In IIT Madras.
Detail का-
But
detail
this
का
is a
है।
scenario of academics
तो
era,
access card है ना?
whether it's belong to social or
इसमें बस
IITs
SIM
or
डली
NIMS,
हुई है ना,
where
JNU
we
की
find
MTNL
that
वाली।
if the teachers are
MTNL
coming
हाँ,
from
MTNL
the
के सब
forward
collaboration
class,
करते
what
हैं।
will be their mentality to teach you
तो कितना पढ़
belongs
Yeah.
to some exceptional
Yeah.
मार्केट से
some-
भी यार
Even in judiciary, I like to. There is a particular study is called jurymetry.
डायरेक्ट वहाँ से लेते हैं,
Jurymetry
वो लोग भी यही
it
देंगे
studies
आपको,
the
but
biasness
वो
of the
लोग
judges in America.
नहीं,
So like
नहीं, मैंने
judges who are
biotechnology
from different castes